Today we talk about how can you add your vet on your remote app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on account down here. When you just click here on accounts, it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, keep going down. Then you click here, then you click here on bits here, click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to veterinarians here, click on add. So then you come here to add your vet, and here can you search by vet here, or you just add here zip code or city or clinic name. So then it's going to add with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.